Obviously, dumplings are not the only food Chinese people eat over Chinese New Year holiday. In fact, there is such a big difference between the South and the North on food tradition over Chinese Spring Festival. Today, I would like to share with you a recipe for these Szechuan pork bites, which can be served as a snack as well as entree with vegetable dishes. It's very popular in southwestern region of China, Sichuan area.As you can see, so far we have sliced pork shoulder or pork belly marinated working. In the meantime, we're going to make this egg batter. Mix well until smooth. Adding marinated pork to mix well again. Let it rest for 30 minutes until it's fully combined.Once the cooking oil reaches the right temperature, adding marinated pork one at a time to deep fry until golden brown. Remove to drain. Add them back in the oil to deep fry again. This is how you get the crispy texture outside, juicy soft texture inside. Full recipe is in my bio link. Try it out. Thank you for watching.